Hello there, welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I want to show you how to make ground beef on the stove, and we're going to be putting some sauteed peppers, onions, and garlic in it. So we're going to saute the peppers, onions, and garlic first, and then we're going to incorporate the ground beef. I'm going to show you how to season that up really good. And then you have it, okay? You can use that for anything, for lasagna, pasta, spaghetti, beans and hamburger, you name it, you can use it, okay? So just wanted to show you that. This will be the first and only time that I'll show you how to make that. And then you'll have that under your belt and we can move on, okay? Alright, so let's do it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Check out the links below. See if this is something that you would like to do. Support this channel. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed before. We're waiting on you. Thank you. Alright. Okay, so I have some oil in the bottom of the frying pan. You can see very, very little, right? Okay. Now we're going to add our, this is, I think it was 2 cut up red peppers. 2 red peppers cut up. Now I'm going to add some onion paste. One second. And I want to add some garlic. I'm going to add 1 heaping tablespoon of garlic. We'll start with that. Okay, we're going to let that cook until the peppers get halfway done. Once they get halfway done, then we're going to add our ground beef. Okay? Alright, so let's give this 3 minutes and we'll be back. Thank you. While I'm waiting, why don't I give you the word of the day? Okay? Okay, so maybe life is hard for you. Maybe you just don't know how you're going to make it. You don't know which way to go and which way to turn. But you do know this, that you do want to keep on living and trying, right? Okay, so all you do is give all those cares and concerns to the Lord. Put one foot in front of the other and keep on moving. Okay, because if you keep on moving, you might outrun the hardness. You might win the race. Okay, life may be hard today, but just keep on moving. Okay, that's the word of the day. Keep on moving. It might be okay. It could be okay. You'll know when you keep on moving. Alright, that's the word of the day. Okay, I will be back in a few. Okay, so peppers, onions, and garlic have been cooking for about 3 to 4 minutes. I have about 2.5 pounds of 85% lean beef. So we're going to put that in there. Just break it up, put it in there. Okay, once that's in there, now you're going to season it up. I'm going to add just a little olive oil. Black pepper. Adobo. Cumin. Okay. Now you just want to turn it over so that the peppers is on the top and the ground beef is on the bottom. Okay, I'm going to cover that and I'm going to let that cook until for about maybe, I'd say 7 minutes, until the hamburger is done on all sides. I'll keep turning it so that you'll know what I'm doing, okay? Alright, we'll be back in about 7 minutes. Thank you. Okay guys, it's been about 7 minutes with a top on it. So let's check it out. You have to break it up so that you can make sure that the beef is cooked throughout, because sometimes when it's in like little lumps, the middle part may not cook, so you have to break it up to make sure that the ground beef is cooked throughout. That's why I'm breaking it up like this. Okay, it looks like it's cooked throughout now. So I would say total that took about maybe 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to pour the ground beef and peppers into a strainer to get all the excess oil off, and we'll be right back. Okay? Thanks. Okay, so here's our ground beef with peppers, onions, and garlic. And that's how you cook ground beef, people. Okay? Alright. So, let me get a thumbnail. Gotta have that. How about that, huh? Cool. thumbnail. Okay, and let me just taste it so I can let you know how it tastes. I just got a little. Mmm. The peppers really bring something to the table to the ground beef. It has it nice and moist. I like the flavor. I like it. Okay, so now you know how to make ground beef. You can add peppers to yours. You can add celery. Any vegetable you like. Go for it. Experiment. Okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video. Please share the video with others. Everybody don't know how to cook, and you could help them. Okay? Subscribe if this is your first time on my channel, and check out the links below. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.